Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's consider this question on the board. Now look at what you are given. You're given that 3 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of y plus 2 equals to what? 640 what? 8. Where s must be what? Greater than what? Y. Now in this video, I'm going to use two methods to approach this particular problem. Now let's consider, we're going to use case 1 in this video. And let's see case 1, what you can do to this question. Now, by obeying these properties of indices, that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus what? Plus n. If we obey these properties of indices, we can do something very interesting, right? Because this is in the form of this 3 to the power of x plus 2 is in this form. So we can take it back at 3 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of what? 2. So here I can write this as 2 to 3 to the power of what? X multiplied by 3 to the power of what? 2 minus 3 to the power of y multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 equals what? 640 what? 48. I can see that something is common. What is common? 3 to the power of 2 is common, as you can see, because we're having it here, we're also having it here, into, if I divide 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 by what? By 3 to the power of 2. This you cancel out this, I'm left with 3 to the power of x. So what will be left here is 3 to the power of x. If I have minus 3 to the power of y multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2, this cancel out this, I'm left with 1 minus 3 to the power of what? Y. Everything is equals to what? 640 what? 48. Now at this point, what are we going to do? 3 to the power of 2 simply means 3 times 3, which is 9. I'm having here as 9 into 3 to the power of x minus what? 3 to the power of y. Everything is equals to what? 640 what? 8. I want to divide both sides by 9 and divide here by what? 9. 9 cancel out, so 3 to the power of x minus what? 3 to the power of y is equals to what? Now let's divide 600 and what? 640 what? 648 divided by 9. I have 70 what? 70 what? 2. Wow. Okay, now look at what it's amazing. I can bring out that 3 to the power of y into 3 to the power of what? X minus y. Because I know that 3 to the power of y multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus y is equals to what? Let's see, by obey the properties of indices, equals to what? 3 to the power of y plus x minus y. And this cancel out this, I'm left that this is 3 to the power of x, which is the same as this, right? Then what? If I divide this by this, I'm going to have minus what? 1, everything is equals to what? 70 what? 72. Because this time this will give us this. This time this will give us this, right? Wow. Now let's consider 40 what? 47 and 72. Now I want to look for the product of what? 72. Know that 9 times 8 is what? 70 what? 72. Okay, that means this can become what? 3 to the power of y into 3 to the power of x minus y minus what? 1 is equals to what? 9 times what? Times 8. Because 9 times 8 is what? Is what? 72. And take note, okay, take note that 3 to the power of y is greater than 3 to the power of x minus y minus what? 1. Take note, okay? Very important. Now at this point, what are we going to do? Our target is to find s, but s must be is to find x and y, but s must be greater than y. Okay, it means that into 3 to the power of y multiplied by multiplied by what? 3 to the power of x minus y, okay, minus 1 is equals to 9 multiplied by 8. We can equate this to this and also equate this to what? This. So see that 3 to the power of y is equals to what? 9. And 3 to the power of x minus y minus 1 is equals to what? 8. Wow, this is amazing. So let's put 9 in this form. It means that 3 to the power of y is equals to 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 represent 9. Since the bases are the same, we can do without them and see that y is equals to 2. This is the value of y. That means our s must be greater than y, because since y is 2, s must be greater than what? Y. Let's concentrate on this. We know that by adding 1 to both sides, that means 3 to the power of x minus y is equals to 9 is 8 plus what? 1. And 3 to the power of s minus y is equals to what? 9. Let's put 9 in this form. We know that this is now become 3 to the power of x minus y is equals to 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 simply means what? Simply means 9. That means since the bases are the same, we can equate the powers, so do without them. So x minus y is equals to what? 2. But what that our y is 2? It means that x minus 2 is equals to what? 2. If we add 2 to both sides, that means our s is equals to 2 plus what? 2. And 2 plus 2 is what? Is 4. So our s is equals to what? 4. It means that s is greater than what? Y. Okay, because 4 is greater than what? 2. Wow, this is amazing. Now this is case 1. Now I want to consider case 2 and take note that whatever value we have as s equals to whatever value we have as x and y, we are also going to have in our what? Case 2. Case 1. Now let's consider case 2. Now we are going to start here from case 2. Remember what you have done from here in case 1. So we are going to start here from case 2. Now do you know that 3 to the power of s is equals to into 3 to the power of s divided by 2 or to the power of 2? They are equal. And also 3 to the power of y is equals to into 3 to the power of y divided by 2 or to the power of 2. If this is true and we agree, it means that into 3 to the power of s divided by 2 or to the power of 2 is minus what? Into 3 to the power of what? Y divided by 2 or to the power of what? 2 equals to what? 70 what? 70 what? 2. Wow. So we can say that let 3 to the power of s divided by 2 equals to what? Equals to b, equals to a, okay, equals to a. And what? And 3 to the power of what? Y divided by 2 equals to what? B. It means that this thing is called what? A square minus b square equals to what? 70 what? 2. Wow, this is amazing. Now what are we going to do? Now here we can write this as what? A to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equals to what? 12 times what? 6. Because 12 times 6 is 42. So know that this is difference of 2 square. We all know. Know that this is into a plus what? B multiplied by a minus b equals to what? 12 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 6. And take note that a plus b must be greater, okay, must be greater than into a minus b equals to 12 is greater than what? 6. So by comparing this to this or equating this to this, we see that a plus b is equals to what? 12 and a minus b is equals to what? 6. Let's use elimination method so we verify this is what? Simultaneous what? Equation. So a minus a is gone. Minus times minus is plus. B plus b will give us 2b equals to 12 minus 6 is 6. Divide here by 2. Divide here by 2. 2 cancel out. So b is equals to what? 3. This is the value of b. Wow. Let's find the value of x. From equation, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 2, we know that a minus b is equals to 6. So our b is 3. So that means a minus 3 is equals to what? 6. So it means our a is equals to 6 plus what? 3. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So that means our a is equals to what? 9. Now, since we're getting the value of x and the value of, since we're getting the value of a and b, we can find the value of what? X and y. But take note that x must be greater than what? Y. Now let's recall something very interesting from here. Recall that, okay, from here that 3 to the power of s divided by 2 is equals to a. And our a is 9. So it means that 3 to the power of s divided by 2 is equals to what? 9. Let's put 9 in index form. But if you don't want to put 9 in index form, you can take the natural logarithm of both sides or log of both sides. But to make everything very simple, we can put 9 as 3 to the power of x divided by 2 is equals to 3 to the power of what? 3. Now you can observe that the bases are the same. Since the bases are the same, we can do without them and equal the powers. We can do without them. So you see that x divided by 2 is equals to what? 2. Now the denominator here is 1. Then by cross multiply, 1 times x will give us x. This is x equals to 2 times 2 give us 4. This is the value of x. Wow, this is amazing. And we know, let me remove this from here quickly, that also 3 to the power of what? Y divided by 2 is equals to b. So 3 to the power of y divided by 2 is equals to what? B. As you can see here, and we know that our b is what? Is 3. So 3 to the power of y divided by 2 is equals to what? 3. And the power of this 3 here is 1. We can equal the powers in the bases are the same. We can do without them, let them enjoy themselves. So y divided by 2 is equals to 1. By cross multiply, our y is equals to what? 2. This is the value of y. Take note that for our initial problem, they said that into s must be greater than what? Y. So let's see that this also what? Our y is what? 2 and our x is 4. So it means that 4 is greater than what? 2. 4 is s and 2 is y. So that means this is very what? Pro-Cartesian and amazing. So check out case 2 and check out case 1. Which one do you find so interesting? Let me observe this. I find case 2 so much interesting because it requires what? Most application of what? Indices and also include what? simultaneous what equation. As you can see here, this is simultaneous equation, so which make it was so interesting and so pocket-genius. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate, do it to like, comment, and share to your loved ones so others will learn from it. And again, if you are not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime there are exciting videos like this, you notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.